Banjo, the principal instructor of Ibadan City Fashion College. Okay, yesterday I made a post about using tape roll, the kind of tape roll you should choose, or the one that's very good for you. We have different ones that comes with different brands, you know, and all that. And I remember mentioning the one called, I said fiberglass. This is fiberglass. This is what it looks like. There's fiberglass written here. It's very good. It stretches well. It's flexible. It doesn't get stiff easily like the local ones we find in our market here. It doesn't shrink easily as well, and it's one of the best. I have this one, is actually 80 inches, and it's one of my favorites because when I'm measuring anyone, plus size, any size, long yards of fabric, or probably I have a fabric with a long yardage, it's easy to measure. That's why I usually use this. The 120 inches is also one of my favorite, but it's actually very long, so if I want to use that, I tend to like roll it twice on my neck, or probably wrap it in my waist bag when I'm using. It's also fantastic to use, and it's a good choice for you as a fashion designer. 60 inches is the most common. I'm not discarding it. I'm not saying it's not good. If it's what you can make use of it. But consider the days where you have to measure someone that's more than 60 inches. Yes, of course, no body shaming. You need something longer. You don't have to be going twice and adding measurements over. Just look for 80 inches. In case you don't know where to get one, we have one in the college here. You can send a mail or send a WhatsApp message. The numbers are shown here. Send a WhatsApp message and definitely we'll get one across to you. Of course, if you're not in Ibadan, you pay for delivery for anybody. You just stop by to pick one to buy. It's not for free, you know that. So till I see you another time, be good and have a so beautiful day. Thanks.